Hi everyone. Today our last day in Thailand in Pattaya. We're waiting taxi with our friend Yuri from Latvia and Nicholas. We stay in hotel and our taxi is only 5:30. But Georgi now sick. He maybe walking under aircon, maybe I don't know, but
Maybe Ebola. Maybe Ebola. Nobody know. We're waiting. Okay, it's good.
yeah. Georgi will sleep now in the bed. With Nicholas I will go outside in the Soybukau. Oh, Nicholas have a bicycle. So you use bicycle in Pattaya, but you have a driving license, car and motor. Why you use bicycle? Comfortable bicycle?
Healthy.
Your friend?
Yes. Ex-girlfriend.
Ex-girlfriend.
She eats durian. Now it's durian season. No?
Ah, now durian season.
So it's a little cheaper.
Uh-huh.
Normally it's expensive. Now it's cheaper than all people to buy and eat it. Like they think it's very healthy.
In Thailand also can buy gasoline in small store. $20. Diesel don't have. Of course diesel don't have. 25 baht. Mini gas station. Nicholas wanted something.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay,ครับผม
Ting ting.
นี่
What you order?
Soup.
Soup? Ah, noodles. 45 baht.
No, 60.
60 baht.
It's different size.
Ah, different size.
100 euros. Depends of size.
100 euro.
Dollars.
Dollar. Peso.
Yeah, it's possible. 100 euros. Buy it for
Oh, big.
Yes.
Noodles. Soup. Chicken. So many chicken.
no no chicken
Ah, no chicken.
No, beef, beef.
Ah, beef.
Only
Beef.
Special beef.
Ah, this is beef.
Yeah.
Ah, beef noodles. Yeah. Beef is good.
yeah
What is this? Spicy?
Pig. Chili.
Chili.
Chili pepper. Spicy.
I know in the Philippines have same. It's pig skin. Pig skin. I forgot. I forgot to how to in the Philippines they say. Ah, what name this one? What name? What is name? Skin. Pig skin. Yeah. Pig.
Pork.
Ah, pig. Pig. Yeah, Thai language. In Thai language, what name in Thai?
Pig.
I แคบหมู
I
แคบ
แคบ
หมู
หมู
Kap mu. So this is kap mu. Okay. Pig skin. Yeah. In the Philippines have same, but bigger. Oh, so many vegetable. Uh-huh.
Oh.
try to finish if not finish we charge for 60 baht
Okay.
try to finish. Yeah.
Did you understand this one? 60
Yes.
baht pay for what? If you not it?
Yes.
If you not,
You need to finish.
you need
So
finish
you
all.
take how you need, not more.
Yes.
If you take more, you cannot eat them.
If you take more and not eat all, you can pay 60 baht. Okay.
This is spicy, like how to smell the diet fish, you know? It smell like so.
Smell fish.
Yes.
This one?
Baby shrimp.
Shrimp.
Ah, different smell. Ah, yes, this is smell
Fancy,
shrimp.
yeah.
Yeah, this is
But if you take a little to put in the soup, it smell very good.
you.
a little.
Yes,
little.
smell shrimp.
No, no good. But tasty, tasty.
Uh-huh.
ใส่ว่าที่เอาไปอยู่ใน
You need to order also the same big. You, Nicholas.
Oh,
Yeah.
นี่หนีแล้วข้างล่างเลย
Yeah, maybe he already hungry.
เขาอยู่หลังบ้านมันมี
can sit here.
Yeah. Spoon available, yeah?
กะละมังไง
60 baht for beef, I think is very good.
Don't need to take much. Enough
Little bit
for-
only, but yeah, very strong smell.
Pili-pili. Chili. Pili-pili, no. Pig. What is it? Pig? Pig. Oh, okay. Pili-pili in Africa, right?
Nicholas usually traveling to Africa, to Kenya. He said in Kenya he very like every summer from June you go to Africa always. To October he stay in Kenya in Africa and come back to home only for maybe weekend to home only. Weekend only to home to New Year.
To go
And
shower, to get shower.
to get shower, yes, change clothes, and going to Pattaya from January. But you have business in Pattaya? Don't have business? Yeah, just only relax. Yeah.
Elephants, banana.
Okay. Two guys drive motor and see jeepney with fruits. And they stop jeepney and they buy. You see? So you can stop jeepney and buy fruits. I don't know what kind of fruits. Usually mango, but now not season mango. Nicholas already finished it.
เป็นลมแล้ว
Wow.
Good?
I will be back.
เสร็จแล้ว
You see, he bought fruits. What kind of fruits? I don't know.
สนใจเชิญก่อนได้เลยครับวันนี้เรามีส้มครับส้มสายน้ำผึ้งจากเชียงใหม่3 กิโลครับ3 กิโล100ออกมายกมือดักกวักมือเรียกมือเราก่อนได้เลยครับส้มสายน้ำผึ้งจากเชียงใหม่3 กิโลครับ3 กิโล100ซื้อไปกินซื้อไปทานซื้อฝากลูกฝากหลานก็ดีครับส้มสายน้ำผึ้งหวาน3 กิโล จากเชียงใหม่
Same like in the Philippines, you can pay through QR code. This one. Bank application, yes? In the Philippines it's Gcash. Usually go to Deposit Road to the market. I will go to hotel and we go into with Georgi to airport. Nicholas, when you go to the Philippines?
Maybe next month.
Okay. Okay, see you.
Okay, bye.